All right, what's going on, everybody? Ronnie Mac here. You guys know me as MrHairArt and Coach, and we are live over here at the Mobalon headquarters. This is Mobalon headquarters, guys. We are under construction. We're going to be having a grand opening here shortly, so y'all need to get ready because it's about to go down in the new year. It's about to go down, y'all. Y'all come on inside. I'm gonna show y'all around. Let's go check it out. This is the new Mobalon location. This is our headquarters right here in Dallas, Texas. So y'all see we are coming soon, baby. Mobalon, coming soon. That's our 800 number. Y'all can call that if you want to and talk to us directly. But this is, y'all can see we're coming out of Christmas, out of December. It's Christmas time. But this is the receptionist area, the front desk, and where they're going to be greeting people. We have a members only location here, and it is 50,000 square feet. It is huge. That's why we call it a mega salon. So it goes all the way back down there, all the way back down here, and then all the way on the other side as well. So matter of fact, let's go down and check it out. We're right now getting ready for our hair art gallery opening, so that you guys definitely want to get tickets for if you want to be. This is our Barber and Beauty Bank. This is where we do loans and do credit and everything for the barbers and stylists that need assistance, and we do a bunch of giveaways and stuff in here, as y'all can see. So you'll be able to come in here and get your goodies from the Barber and Beauty Bank, and if you already have an account, you are able to come in and pick it up from your mailbox. All right, let's go down here. This is our hallway. Y'all can see it is huge, and obviously we are Mobalon down here. This is we're under construction in our restroom, so they'll be done here shortly. This is the hair art gallery. So we'll have another partition wall here, and then an opening here that's going to be real secure because we have art pieces that are literally thousands and thousands, about tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars will be in this location. So in Hair Art Gallery, we'll be featuring all of those artwork, cowhide artworks, or what we like to call hair art hides in this location. So if you have not got your hair art hides, if you have not ordered from us, you need to go to MrHairArt.com or go to Mobalon.com and click on Hair Art Gallery, and then you can order your own hides and do your own hair art designs, do your own portraits, send them in to us to be appraised and put into the gallery for sale. So there'll be actual hair art portraits all along the walls and in the center here. All right, Hair Art Gallery, guys, go to HairArtGallery.com. All right, down here you see we have suites, we have other rooms all the way down that are under construction here. We have our kids play area that is here. This is where our kids come in and can be taken care of in this side. And then back here we got our product production area where we'll be producing our product and building our product. Everything is under construction right now, guys. We're putting everything together. And then all the way back here, I told y'all it's huge. We got more offices, more construction area. Then we have our conference area where we meet with our sponsors, our advertisers, barbers and stylists who are signing up, people who are getting into Mobile Salon Buses, because obviously we take shuttle buses and convert them into mobile barber shops and mobile beauty salons. So that's what we do in this building. We have an entire warehouse on the back side here that I can't show you right now, but in future videos, you guys will be able to see all of that. This is our conference area where we do our meetings and do our conference. We have two conference areas. Here's my wife's area here. This is where all of the money takes place here. And please don't come in here because we keep everything locked down in our Big Daddy safe over here. And then she has her own conference area here where she meets with the really big wigs and the celebrities and all that good stuff. So that happens in here with your coffee display and getting your snacks and everything, doing your thing right here. And I get a kick out of us needing to know all the different locations from around the world. But it's going down, guys. This is the HR department. You don't want to have to come to this room. That's the bad room. We got more offices going down that way. We got a break area here where we do our breaks and snacks and all that good stuff over here. Got another restroom section over here. More offices and things over here. Got another area down here where we do our construction for upholstery, plumbing for the buses, the electrical work, wiring, all that stuff for the buses. This is our security room here, and this is where we maintain security for the buses, and we actually monitor everything for the building and for the buses out of here. So we can't be in here. we gotta keep all of that kind of secure. But that's where they monitor the buses. We have video cameras on all the buses, so we can see the inside and outside and keep our people safe that are on the Mobile Salon buses. Let's go out here in VIP parking, which is literally just secured parking on this side. Let me lock open this so I don't get locked down. All right, so yeah, we got cameras everywhere, guys. So you might want to be careful. This is VIP parking. We got one of the buses here. The buses are, like I said, look, we're right across the street from the fair park. There's the Cotton Bowl right there. There's the big, the fair park, the big Ferris wheel, all that good stuff. We're literally right across the street from the fair park. So millions and millions of people come through here during fair time, during their games, their events, all that stuff. So we're right in the heart of it. We park our buses here. Then we have another parking lot on the other side. We're gonna see if we can go over there. But this bus, I'll put a clip in here of the buses. I think this one is open. Let me press there. Okay, so in here we have a mobile salon. Yep, it's an actual mobile salon. This is what we build. We take shuttle buses and convert them into mobile barbershops, mobile beauty salons. They have TVs all the way around. They have hot and cold running water. They have mirrors, chairs. This one has it has a fridge and microwave and all that stuff. This has a nail station in this one as well. So yeah, you literally can take one of these and drive right to your client, park right in their driveway, and do their hair right in their driveway. So this is the new wave. This is what's coming to the barber and beauty industry, and we here at Mobalon is creating that for everybody to be able to get into their very own Mobile Salon bus. All you gotta do is go to Mobalon.com. Mobalon short for Mobile Salon. So Mobalon, M-O-B-A-L-O-N. There it is right there on the wall. Mobalon. I will crank this up, but I am rushing to get this done because I got a meeting in a minute. All right, let's go back over here. Matter of fact, we're gonna go back through and see the other side. This is just one side. There's 4 sides, so we're not gonna be able to get to all of them, but I want to show you as much as I can to get it done so that you guys can see what we're working with over here. We're gonna skip that side because they're working on the bus parts on that side, but we're coming all the way back through on this side. This is 50,000 square feet, guys. A 50,000 square foot mega salon. And like I said, these are suites, these rooms. We have a bunch of different suites here, and they're just, just regular suites for the guys and girls, the barbers and stylists, nail techs, massage therapy, all that good stuff we do in here. And all of these suites all the way down and around. All right, so here's my office that's right off the wall here. Now we're under construction here. So we're doing our painting and everything for this. I have a pretty large office. We're painting everything. We're bringing in all of my furniture and equipment and everything. So if you guys are coming in, you need to come on in. We got another restroom here, another set that's coming in. Then there's more offices down that hallway. And then, come on guys, I'm about to be quick. All right, we got a dance studio on this side here. As you can see, we just came out of Christmas, out of December. But this is what they use to do the choreography and the dance steps, the routines and stuff for our commercials, our internet, our online stuff, all of that. We're about to be doing a whole lot of stuff. So if you're signing up to be a part of we have our own reality show that we're shooting right now at Mobalon.com, all of that. We have that here. There's another one of my daughters here. This is her office. She has her own choreography company. And we have, large screen TVs, all that stuff in here. But this is the dance studio up in here. They got the mirrors and all that good stuff. Okay, coming through here is the arcade. We have our own arcade. Like I said, we want to be able to put the kids somewhere and get them out of our hair. So we're building an entire arcade in this entire area here. We got pool tables and basketball shoot 'em ups and arcade. Y'all probably remember the Pac-Mans and the the NFL Blitz. These are the old schools right here, baby. Miss Pac-Man. I know y'all remember the Miss Pac-Mans. And then the Mortal Kombat. Oh, who know about that Mortal Kombat? That's what's really popping. Big Game Hunters and T2, baby. Terminator. Oh, y'all got to get down with the Terminator games and shooting up them before the AI come in. Yeah, it's going down, guys. It's going down. So all of this area here will be arcade. We're filling up. We got a ton of arcades we got to bring in and putting in our pool tables and all that stuff. Through this door is our garage bay where we build the buses. Can't show that because we got a lot of secret stuff in there, but that's where they will be building buses and have another break area and stuff for the workers. And here's another game room. Obviously, this is for the Xbox and PlayStation games where they play on this TV screen, and then they have other gaming units where they can play the other alternate games and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I got the little gaming chairs, the theater chairs that they turn into gaming chairs. So yeah, it's a lot going on, guys. I'm gonna do another video and do the other half of the building. Like I said, it's 50,000 square feet of mega salon. That's what we like to call it, mega salon. But we are Mobile Salons, which the whole name is Mobalon, and we're going to be doing our grand opening here shortly. And for everybody that wants to sign up and get into their own mobile salon bus, you need to go to Mobalon.com. At the top of the page on the right hand side, there's the application. You can click on that, fill out the application. We do have our own funding, in-house funding, where you guys can sign up to get funding and actually have the opportunity to get into your own mobile salon bus. So all of that stuff is going on right now. I really want you guys, all of you hair artists out there, all of you barbers and stylists that do hair art or that know how to do hair art, or if you're wanting to learn how to do hair art, we have our own school. We have an online school for our mobile salons. So you go to Mobalon.com, click on the school, click on the application to go to our school, our mobile salon school, and once you go through the school and get your MSOL, your mobile salon operator's license, then you automatically qualify for financing for the mobile salon buses. Okay, for being a hair artist, you go through our HairArt school, which is also at Mobalon.com. Click on the schooling, or click on the little application at the top, and apply to get into the hair art school, and that's where you'll get your hair artist license. Guys, that right there is about to be a game changer, because you'll literally be able to do hair art designs and get paid as a hair artist. You're now doing haircuts that are $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, and even more, and making big time money, and doing hair art art pieces and putting them in our gallery. And these art pieces are selling $5,000, $10,000 art pieces, $20,000, $30,000 art. That's where you need to be. Okay, so sign up. The hair art, the hair art stencil kit, my stencil kit, the MrHairArt stencil kit. you'll get one of those. Let me show you. I think I have one in the case here. This is some of the stencil kit that you'll get to be able to learn hair art and everything. You'll get one of those when you sign up for the school, and you'll get all of the equipment. You'll get the cowhide, the hair art hides where you'll design in it and all that, and be able to do your portraits and send it in to us to be appraised to go into the hair art gallery. So that's what everybody is working on right now and trying to get their hair artwork in before we launch and go public. All right, guys, that'll do it for me for right now. We're gonna do the other side in another video. Like I said, it's 50,000 square feet. You guys need to go to Mobalon.com. There it is right there on the screen. Mobalon.com and sign up. Check us out and get involved. We're here in Dallas, Texas, and it's about to blow up, guys. All right, I'm Ronnie Mac. You guys know me as MrHairArt, and I bid you guys peace and blessings. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and sign up. Sign up, purchase your product, go to MrHairArt.com or Mobalon.com and order the products. Get on board because it's about to be crazy from here on out. All right, guys, if you don't mind, please get on the website well, we have some more people. We have some barbers and stylists that we're going to feature. So I'll show them in the other video, and then we'll take care of all of their stuff as well. All right, guys, that's a short tour. We're going to do another tour here in the next video, so stay tuned to that. And we go live every weekday at 6 o'clock on Mobalon.com, which filters through all of our different websites for MrHairArt on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, which is X, and Instagram, all those platforms. We go live at 6 o'clock Central Standard Time, so you can come in and watch and see what we got going on, because it's a whole bunch of stuff. All right, guys. Again, I'm Ronnie Mac, owner of the Shops Salons Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network, bidding you guys peace and blessings. Please take care of yourself, and if you can, take care of someone else, because if we all did that, we all will be taken care of. All right, guys. Appreciate it. And don't forget, take care of yourself. And if you can, take care of someone else. If we all did that, we all will be taken care of. Peace.